This is all entertainment purposes only. I'm about to get into it. Ethan Chapin, Maddie Mogen, Kaylee Goncalves, and Xana Kernodle. Everybody was at the Grub truck. I'm going to try to run through this Grub truck real quick. I'm going to show the video after I preface a little bit. I'm not going to try to drag it out here. The Grub truck. Okay. Do you remember Peyton going up to Kaylee? And Kaylee's like, oh my God, hi. She's in the blue sweatshirt with the Idaho yellow letters. Okay. Right before that, you remember the number 8 jersey and the number 9 jersey. Number 9 jersey, Sigma Chi boy, Maddie recognizes, remember? Like stumbles over to him. She kind of hits the trash can and then she gives him a hug.
On my like
so what you want to do is we'll actually do this.
Right before Peyton goes up to Kaylee, right before that, Xana, Ethan, and crew had pulled in the back, and I'm going to show that as well. Then number 9 goes, Xana, and then he waves, what up?
Yeah, that's going to be all, yeah, that's going to be almost 2 pounds of food.
I better
yeah, that's going to be almost 2 pounds of food.
I better get 2.
Okay, you got it.
And then I'm going to show the other angle of them pulling in. Xana's in the passenger seat. As soon as, now you can see him going like this from the parking lot, and you can also see it in the Grub truck video and hear it. I don't have the sound for the parking lot, but you can see what's going on. It's just a different angle. So he's like this, and then Xana, because he specifically says, Xana, what up? She reaches out from the passenger side, and she's like this.
Yeah, that's going to be all 54. Thank you.
Ethan, Chapin, Xana, Peyton, Reed, and then Blue Hoodie Girl. They kind of mingle for a minute with 8 and 9 there. Jersey 8, 9. If you know this case, you know what I'm talking about. So we're going to get into it here. I just want to make clear that clearly these are the people that are there. This is very, very blatantly obvious. The narrative that they have told us is far, far from what it is. We've always known that. It's never added up. And I don't know. It's not, some days I'm like, this isn't even real. This was just, and then other days I'm like, dang, like, what is this? So here we go.
Hell yeah. Alright, what'd I miss? Reduce.
Oh my god, that gets someone. And then like they want their numbers to be called. It was wondering if I was going too slow and you're gonna switch me back. And I was really scared of that.